Can they be that close? Just let me state for the record, we're giving love in a family dose. We are family. Hey, I got all my sisters with me. We are family. Get up, everybody, and sing. Sing it to me. We are family. I got all my sisters with me. We are family. Get up, everybody, and sing. Living life is fun, and we've just begun to get our share of this world's delight. High hopes we have for the future, and our goals in sight. We know we don't get depressed. Here's what we call our golden rule. Have faith in you and the things you do. You won't go wrong. Oh no, this is our family jewel. We are family. Sing it to me. I got all my sisters with me. Sing it to me. We are family. I can hear you, y'all. Get up, everybody, and sing. We have faith in you and the things you do. Hey, I got all my sisters with me. We are family. Get up, y'all. Get up, everybody, and sing.
What's up, everybody? This is your boy Jermaine. Listen, just ending the community networking event at WGIV Studio. It has been phenomenal, a wonderful experience just to build and expound with great minds. Awesome experience. Looking forward to next month. Peace.
Hello, my name is Geraldine Bird, and I had an amazing time today at the Community Connection event today with the Bizness Barter Exchange. It was a great opportunity to network and communicate with people of different businesses. I got to sell products today, shirts, promotional products for my company, Keep It Moving, and it was a great opportunity to come together and network. So I encourage you all to attend the next Community Connector event.
My name is Nicholas Nelson, better known as Nikki Terrell from Queen City Vibe. Today, I just attended the networking seminar that they sponsored here at WGIV. And I just want to say I found it, wow, listen, I'm so ecstatic. I'm ecstatic. It was so powerful. I think powerful is the best word that I could say to describe it. It was very, very powerful. But also, it was very enriching in information and motivation. And education. It was a powerful thing, and I'm so glad. And I just want to say thank you to Dr. Business and the WGIV staff. It really was great, and I was so glad to be a part of it.
Hi, my name is Dawn, and I was at the community networking event, and I thought it was phenomenal. It was nice meeting with like-minded individuals, entrepreneurs in our community, where we can build amongst ourselves and grow the community not only near, but across the country and world as well.
All right, my name is Quentin Rankin, and I just did the WGIV Community Networking event, and it went great. I got to speak with people a lot like myself, like-minded people who are trying to focus on their selves and their brand and trying to expand their businesses. So it was a great event. I really enjoyed it. I had a good time, and I encourage anybody who is trying to expand their brand to come check out WGIV.
My name is Jennifer Nelson, and today my experience at the Community Connector event was wonderful. I loved it. It was inspirational, motivational, and it was a blessing to be there.
Hi, my name is Alicia Hart. Can I tell y'all something? It was incredible. The things that were said in that room is stuff that people can use in their everyday lives, in our communities, uplift, reach out, educate one another. We talked about helping the youth. We talked about black communities coming together, everybody helping one another, and it was just very uplifting. So anyone who's interested in just knowing what Dr. Business, WGIV, is all about, please do yourself a favor. Do your community a favor. And come on down and get connected. We're here. You'll be embraced and get your needs met. So thank you very much. I appreciate y'all giving me the time to say how I felt today, and it was great.
My name's Garland McLaughlin, and I want to say that I am very appreciative of Dr. Business and the WGIV and WDRBmedia team putting together these community connector events. You know, they're very inspirational. They give business owners and people and organization and organizers, you know, the opportunity to come out, you know, and talk about what they're passionate about, and you know, everybody gets a piece of, you know, a revelation, so to speak, in what they are doing in their own journeys. And once again, like I said, I'm very appreciative of these events, and they inspire me, and they help me network with other community leaders so that I can myself move forward as a leader and show my positive potential.
Hi, my name is Tamara Boyer, and my event experience has been a blessing. Listen, just knowing that there are people in the room with the same ideas as me, to educate the youth, to give back to the community, to just outreach to people, is just a blessing. I'm amongst a bunch of warriors for God. I know this to be true because if I didn't believe it, didn't feel it, and didn't notice it, I wouldn't be sitting here right now. I've had a whole lot of drama, but to sit back and to listen to these individuals talk, I sometimes be a loss of words, for real. This is just really a genuine feeling of compassion that these people have for one another, and it starts there. When you have compassion for yourself, you know how to give compassion to others, and this is what we want to do for the community, and I'm all for it. I'm all for it. And I think that this right here, this is just a blessing, a true blessing. Just giving back is the main purpose and goal for me and for this network. So it's been an enlightening experience. I'll do it over and over and over and over again. And when people say, why'd you move to Charlotte? It's because of things like this, where they give you opportunity, they give you love, you have a peace of mind, and it's just awesome, an awesome experience.